Welcome to Ideal House Quick Start. Want to redesign your backyard, but find it hard to picture how the plants, paths, lawn, and outdoor living areas will work together? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a complete AI landscape design from one real yard photo using Ideal House. Start in the design workspace and select landscaping. This AI landscaping tool helps you explore a new garden or yard layout before you buy plants, order materials, or begin construction. Click Add a Photo and upload a clear image of the outdoor space. For better results, include the house, lawn, existing paths, planting areas, fences, and property boundaries. A wide, well-lit photo gives the landscape visualizer more context to work with. Under Space Type, tell the tool which outdoor area you are redesigning. You can choose backyard, courtyard, front yard, garden, patio, pool area, porch, or terrace. For this backyard design, I'll select backyard. Next, choose how you want to use the space. I'll select family time and pet friendly. You can also combine needs such as entertainment, hosting guests, kids play, low maintenance, meditation, outdoor dining, or relaxation. These choices help the design support your real lifestyle, not just look attractive. Now click Choose under Style. Browse categories such as most popular, modern, classic, natural, Asian, and climate. You'll find landscaping ideas ranging from contemporary and California modern to Japanese Zen, Mediterranean courtyard, French country, and tropical resort. For this example, I'll choose a modern natural garden style that works with the existing house and feels comfortable for everyday family use. Select your preferred style, then click Confirm to save the overall design direction. Next, click Choose under Elements. Start with Natural Elements, where you can select features such as a lawn, flower bed, flowering shrub, flowering tree, fruit tree, ground cover, native planting, or ornamental grass. Choose only the elements that make sense for your climate, maintenance level, and available space. Then open structures and amenities to add functional features. Options include an arbor, brick or concrete path, fire pit, fountain, garden lights, iron fence, water feature, and other outdoor amenities. These choices help define circulation, seating, entertainment, and focal points in the garden design. For this concept, I'll combine an open lawn, low-maintenance planning, a stepping path, subtle garden lights, and an outdoor dining and seating area. After selecting the elements, click Confirm. The tool will use them as design guidance rather than placing every item in an identical fixed position. Open looking for any specific? To add details that the selectors cannot fully describe. For example, ask for clear walking routes, pet-friendly planning, a balanced family seating area, and enough open lawn for everyday use. Also state that the original house structure and camera angle should remain unchanged. Before generating, review your selections together. The original photo, space type, intended use, style, elements, and any specific instructions. Clear, compatible choices usually produce a more coherent AI backyard design. Choose how many images you want to generate. Creating more than one version is useful when you want to compare different landscaping ideas for the same property. Check the credit amount displayed on the Generate button before continuing. Click Generate. Ideal House will combine the existing yard photo with your selected style, practical needs, landscape elements, and written instructions to create a new landscaping visualization. When the design is ready, it will appear in generation history. Open the newest result and review it carefully. Check whether the house remains recognizable, the paths connect logically, the plants are in proportion, and the lawn, dining, and seating areas feel usable. It's worth generating several options for the same yard. Change one variable at a time, such as the garden style, selected elements, or written request. This makes it easier to compare a greener, softer landscape with a more structured outdoor entertainment space. Open a result to inspect the landscaping design at a larger size. Use the comparison controls to switch between the original yard and the generated concept, so you can see what changed and whether the proposal still fits the existing property. When you find a direction you like, open the download menu. Choose full-size image for the final concept, before and after video to present the transformation, or side-by-side image for an easy comparison. Depending on your plan, you may also see without watermark. You can use Post to share the result, Edit to continue refining it, or Remix to generate another interpretation of the same landscaping concept. And that's it. With Ideal House's AI landscape design tool, you can turn one outdoor photo into multiple backyard or garden design ideas. Compare them visually and communicate why.